To register in free online courses in Swayam, first log in into Swayam portal. We can register or sign in using the existing Google account to Swayam. For example, if you have already Google, Gmail account, that is Google account, you can choose that Google account to log in into Swayam. So I have already Google account, so I am choosing that account to log in into this Swayam portal. Now the Swayam portal has been opened. Here you can see certain menus such as About Swayam, all courses, national coordinators, local chapters, course lat catalog. Also, you can see your mail ID through which you have logged in into this portal. Now you have to click all courses. Under all courses, you will find two tabs. One is upcoming, that is open enrollment. Another one is ongoing, enrollment closed. You have to choose upcoming tab. That will be the default tab. Under that, you can find many courses that are related to your subject, um, such as computer, chemistry, physics, like that. All the subject courses will be available. You have to choose your subject course. For example, as a computer science students, we can choose a course such as animations. So click on this animation course. Now you will find the details about this animation course, such as the learners enrolled for this course is 11,445. Summary of the courses will be given here. What is the starting date, ending date, when the enrollment is going to end, all the things will be given here. Also the credit point will be given, what's the level, whether it's for UG or a PG, what's the level will be given here. Also the who is going to handle this course, who are all the experts will be given here. Next, the course layout will be given here. How many weeks this course is going to happen, and what are the content that's going to handle in these weeks. What are the books and the references used for this course? Everything will be given under this course descriptions. If you want to register this course, you have to click the button join. Under this thing, you have to fill all your personal details. For example, name, mobile number, email id, age group that you are belonging to, country, profession, qualification, year of graduation, part of a soil local chapter. If you can provide no or yes, it's not a matter. You have to provide a yes. Next, state, school or college, area, department. Next, you have to choose the terms of service and honor code. You have to click these check boxes, and later you have to click the button review and join course. Once you have clicked this button, you have enrolled for this course. After that, once you have enrolled your courses, you will find under my courses tab. Under my courses, if you click on this my courses, the courses that you have enrolled, that will be appear under my courses. So, if you have joined any course, that course will be available under my courses. So, these are the upcoming or ongoing courses of mine and completed courses. For example, if you have already completed any of the course, that will be completed under this. That courses will be appeared under this tab. Okay. So, once you have registered a course, that course will show under upcoming or ongoing tabs. So you have to check whether your course has been registered or not through my courses tab. For you also shortlist your courses through choosing these things. For example, if you are going to do maths and science courses, that for what is the thing you are going to do, whether you are from computer science background or chemistry or botany, you have to choose these things, physics, zoology. For example, if I am selecting physics, only the courses that are related to physics will be appeared on this. So from that you can register for that course. Only physics related courses are available. So you can register. For example, if you are interested to join introduction to atmospheric and space science, you have to click on this particular tab. So here itself the details have been given: 12 weeks, starting date, exam date, enrollment ends date, everything has been given here. So further details can be viewed by clicking on this tab. You can join this course by clicking the join button. So later, editing your details, you can click review and join course button. Then that course will be added to your my courses detail. So these are the steps for joining a new course in a Swayam portal. Thank you.